7 patterns. Okay, and today we all are going to learn mark the next object. What? Today our concept name is MARK, mark, THE, the, NEXT, next, OBJECT, object. Okay, mark the next object. Okay, so you are ready for that? Shall I start our new concept? Okay, so let's start. Look at here. Take the correct object. You have to take the correct object to complete the pattern in each row. Okay? Okay. Now, look at here. As you can see, I have drawn some pictures here. Okay? Yes. Look at the first picture. Look at the first row. Yes. Which picture is this? Yes, this is the picture of brinjal, right? This is the picture of brinjal. Okay. Now tell me, after the brinjal, what? After the brinjal, which picture I have drawn? After the brinjal, which picture I have drawn? Mango, right? Yes, this is the picture of mango. So this is the picture of brinjal. After the brinjal, I have drawn one mango. Okay. And after the mango, I have drawn one tomato. Okay. Brinjal, then mango, then tomato. Okay. Now after the tomato, again I have drawn one brinjal. Okay. Then after the brinjal, I have drawn one mango, right? And after the mango, I have drawn one tomato. Okay. So I have drawn one. First, I have drawn one brinjal, then mango, tomato. Then after the tomato, again I have drawn one brinjal, then mango and tomato. Okay. So this is the pattern of first row. Okay. Yes. Now tell me, after the tomato, which picture I am going to write or I am going to draw? Tell me, after the tomato, which picture I am going to draw? Look at here. Here I have drawn brinjal after the tomato, right? After the tomato, I have drawn one brinjal, right? So here also, after the tomato, I am going to draw one brinjal, right? Yes. Now look at here, where is the picture of brinjal? This is, right? So you have to tick like this. Okay. Why? Because after the tomato, which picture will come? The picture of brinjal, right? Yes. Then look at the next picture, next row. Okay. Here also I have drawn some pictures. Look at the first picture. What is this? This is the picture of sun, right? When do we see the sun in the sky? During the daytime, right? Yes, so this is the picture of sun. After the sun, which picture I have drawn? Tell me. After the sun, which picture I have drawn? Moon, right? Yes. And after the moon, which picture I have drawn? This is the picture of star, right? So first I have drawn one sun. After the sun, I have drawn moon. After the moon, I have drawn to show you your math textbook. Now student, look at here. This is your math textbook, okay? Mark the next object. Tick the correct object to complete the pattern in each row. Okay? So look at here. Some pictures are here, right? Look at the first row. Yes, there are some fruit and vegetable, right? Look at the first picture. This is the picture of brinjal. After the brinjal, which picture is here? Mango, right? Yes, first is brinjal, second is mango. After the mango, which picture is here? Tomato, right? Brinjal, mango and tomato, okay? Yes, again brinjal, mango, tomato. So what is the pattern in first row? Brinjal, mango, tomato. Brinjal, mango, tomato. Okay. Now tell me, after the tomato, which picture will come? Tell me, after the tomato, which picture will come here? Look at here. Here, after the tomato, brinjal is here. Right? After the tomato, which picture is here? Brinjal, right? So here also, after the tomato, brinjal will come. Okay? Yes, now look at here. Tell me, where is the picture of brinjal? This is right. So you have to tick. Okay? Then next. Here also some fruits and vegetables, right? But look at here. Pattern is different. Look at the first picture. This is the picture of mango. Do you like to eat mango? Yes, so this is the picture of mango. Now look at here. After the mango, which picture is here? Which object is here? Brinjal, right? After the mango, brinjal is here. Then after the brinjal, which picture is here? Tomato, right? First is mango, brinjal, tomato. What? Mango, brinjal, tomato. After the tomato, which picture is here? This is the picture of mango, right? So after the tomato, mango is here. After the mango, again brinjal is here. And after the brinjal, tomato is here. Right? So what is the pattern in second set? Mango, brinjal, tomato. Mango, brinjal, tomato. What? Look at here. Mango, brinjal, tomato. Mango, brinjal, tomato. Again, after the tomato, which picture will come? After the tomato, which picture will come? Or which object will come? Look at here. After the tomato, which picture will come here? Which picture is here? Mango, right? After the tomato, mango is here. So here also, after the tomato, mango will come. Which object will come? After the tomato, mango will come. Okay? Now look at here. Where is the picture of mango? This is the picture of mango. Now you have to tick. Okay? Yes. Now look at the third row. Here some toys are here, right? Look at the first toy. This is duck, right? After the duck, which toy is here? Train, right? Yes, after the toy, train is here. And after the train, dinosaur is here, right? Yes, the toys of dinosaur. Okay? Duck, after the duck, train is here. And after the train, dinosaur is here. Okay? Yes. Now look at here. After the dinosaur, which picture will come? Which toy is here? Again duck. Okay? After the duck, train is here. And after the train, dinosaur is here. Okay? So what is the pattern in third set? Duck, train, dinosaur. What? Duck, train, dinosaur. Duck, train, dinosaur. Now tell me, after the dinosaur, which toy will come? Tell me, after the dinosaur, which toy will come? Look at here. After the dinosaur, duck is here. Which toy is here? After the dinosaur, duck is here. So here also, after the dinosaur, which toy will come? Duck, right? Yes, now you have to tick. Next, look at the fourth set. Here also some toys, but pattern is different, okay? Look at the first picture. Train, after the train, dinosaur, after the dinosaur, duck, okay? Train, dinosaur, duck, okay? After the duck, which picture is here? Again train, right? Train. After the train, dinosaur. After the dinosaur, duck. Okay. So what is the pattern in fourth set? Train, dinosaur, duck. Again train, dinosaur, duck. Okay. Now tell me, after the duck, which toy will come? Tell me, after the duck, which toy will come? Look at here. Look at here. After the dinosaur, after the duck, which toy will come here? Tell me. After the duck, which toy is here? Train. Right? So here also, after the duck, train will come. Okay? Yes. So you have to tick. Okay? So like this you have to tick the correct object to complete the pattern in each row. Okay? Yes. Now student, till that time, bye-bye. Thank you.